Factorize 6 minus s squared. What does factorize mean? Factorize means to create a factors of an expression such that when the factors multiply themselves or each other, it will give you back the expression. So to factorize this expression means that we should create the factors, or we should separate the factors of this expression in such a way that when the factors multiply themselves, it will give us this expression. First thing is to write the general form of a quadratic expression. The general form of a quadratic expression is a s squared plus bs plus c. Now, if you compare this equation with the general form, a, so the coefficient of s squared is minus 1, which is the coefficient of s squared is a. So a, according to the general form, is what? Minus 1. B, which is the coefficient of s. B is the coefficient of s. The coefficient of s is also minus 1. Then c. C is the constant, which equals to what? 6. Now, so for us to be able to do this, we use the coefficient of s squared, which is a. A is minus 1. We use the coefficient of s squared, which is a, to multiply the constant, which is minus 1 times 6 equals to minus 6. So we look for two numbers that will multiply, that will give us minus 6. Then if we add them, it will give us minus 1, which is the coefficient of x. So look for two numbers that will multiply, that will give us minus 6, which is the product of the coefficient of s squared and the constant. So look for two numbers that will multiply, will give you minus 6. Then if you add two numbers, it will give you the coefficient of s, which is minus 1. So what are the two numbers? The two numbers are minus 3 and 2. So the two numbers are minus 3 and 2. So minus 3 times 2 give us minus 6. Then minus 3 plus 2 give us what? Minus 1. So minus 1 is the coefficient of s. So look for two numbers that multiply, that will give you the product of coefficient of s squared and the constant. Then if you add those two numbers, it will give you the what? The coefficient of s, which is also in this case minus 1. So now we will now replace this minus x with the two numbers, which are what? Minus 3 and 2. So let's write 6. So this minus s now we replace with the two numbers, minus 3 plus 2. That will be minus 3s plus 2x, then minus s squared. So we have replaced minus s with what? With the two numbers, minus 3 plus 2. So minus 3 plus 2, minus 3. So instead of how to write minus s, we now say minus 3s plus 2s. So minus 3s plus 2s give you minus s. We are removing 3s from 2s. So you are removing a big number from a small number, the answer will carry minus. So we'll have minus s. So minus 3s plus 2s will give what? Minus s. This I just do it. So this is 2x minus 3x. So if you remove 3s from 2s, you remove the 2s from 3s, will give you x. But because I remove a big number from small number, because minus 3, you are removing 3s from 2s. So since I remove a big number from a small number, I just put minus here. So it will now be minus s. Now, let's group in twos. So the next thing we're going to do, so minus 3s plus 2s is the same as what? Minus s. Because if you remove 3s from 2s, you will have minus s. So let's group in twos. 6 minus 3s. Anytime you are factorizing, I always group in twos. So I put my big plus. Then I will now separate this other one now. 2x minus s squared. I'm separating. So I'm using the big plus to separate this plus 2. And this plus 2s is what is here now, plus 2s minus s squared. So now what is common? What is the ACF of 6 and minus 3s? So the ACF, 3s and what? 6. What can divide this 3s and 6? At the same time, you can divide 3s and 6. So 3 can go, 3 going to 3s is s, 3 going to 6 is 2. Can I divide this s and 2 again? No. So the ACF of 6s and 3s is what? Is 3. So what can divide 3s and what? 6 is 3. So put it outside. So use this 3 outside to divide what is inside. 3 divide 6 will give me 2. Minus 3 divide 3s will give me what? X. So plus times plus, there is plus here. Plus times plus is plus. Put your plus. Plus times this plus is plus. So what is common? The ACF of 2s and s squared. The ACF of what? 2x and x squared. So what can divide these two things is x. S divided here is 2, here is s. Can anything divide this again? No. So the ACF is what? Is what? Is x. So the ACF is s. So s divided to s is 2. We are minus s divided s squared. So s will remain. 3 is multiplying 2 minus s. 3 is multiplying 2 minus s. Plus s is also multiplying 2 minus s. So it means that this 3 plus s is multiplying the same thing. So we just write it. 3 plus x is multiplying what? The same thing. 2 minus x. Since 3 is multiplying 2 minus s and plus s also multiplying 2 minus s, we just say 3 plus s, which is this thing is multiplying 2 minus s. So everything here is multiplying everything here. So this is the factors of this word expression. Remember I said to factorize means to create or to separate the factors of a word, of an expression, in such a way that when the factors multiply themselves, we give you back the expression. So this is the factors of what? Of this expression. So we have factorized, we have brought out the factors of this expression. So the factors of this expression are 3 plus s and 2 minus s. So now, for us to check whether our answer is correct, we have to expand back if we get this expression. Let them multiply themselves, whether we give you back this expression. So let's go. 3 times 2 will give you 6. 3 times minus s will give you minus 3s. Then 3 has gone. 3 times this 3 times this, plus s. Now plus s times this will give you plus 2x. Then s times minus s will give you minus s squared. So this is 6 minus 3s plus 2s. Remove 3s from 2s, give you minus s, then minus s squared. So as you can see, after factorizing, we got this. That is, we have created or we have brought out the factors of this expression. So having brought it out, when we multiply it, it gave us back the expression. If you find this video interesting, please comment on it, like it, and share. And also follow this profile if you have not followed it before. Thank you.